Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Sierra battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Sierra is completely turned off and the parking brake is set firmly. Then, locate the battery. It's usually found under the hood, but some models might have it under the rear seat. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Grab a 10 mm wrench and start by loosening the nut on the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Carefully remove the negative cable and set it aside, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal. Next, do the same for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in place, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Gently lower the fresh battery into its tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach the hold-down clamps or straps to keep the battery firmly in place, preventing any movement while driving. Then, connect the positive cable first, tightening the nut, and finally, attach the negative cable. This order helps prevent accidental sparks. Before you're done, give all your connections a quick double check to ensure they're tight and secure. Then, start your GMC Sierra to confirm everything is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like your radio presets. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.